My life used to feel like chaos. Every day I woke up already stressed because I never knew where to start. I had 50 tasks in my head, notifications everywhere, and a constantly growing to-do list, but nothing meaningful ever got done. So I tried something different. I used AI to build a schedule for my day in less than 10 minutes. And the results shocked me. I went from overwhelmed and scattered to calm and productive instantly. Today, I'll show you exactly how I did it step by step, using only free tools, so you can build the same system today. Most people think they're bad at time management. But the real problem isn't time, it's decision fatigue. You waste more energy deciding what to do than actually doing it. Every time your brain asks, "What should I do next?" you lose productivity. So instead of manually planning your day, we'll let AI build the schedule for you, and all you'll do is follow the plan. The first step is to empty your brain completely. Write down every task you need to do today or this week: work, personal, study, messages, anything. Don't organize. Don't prioritize. Just dump everything. This removes mental overwhelm instantly. Pause 30 seconds right now. Dump every task you can think of into a list. No order, just write everything down. Done? Perfect. I then pasted all my tasks into ChatGPT and used a specific prompt that transforms chaos into clarity. Here is my task list. Prioritize them, categorize them into urgent, important to flexible, and estimate how long each task should take in minutes. AI instantly organized everything for me and gave time estimates like: reply to emails, 10 minutes, edit video, 60 minutes, workout, 45 minutes. This removes the anxiety of guessing. Open ChatGPT now and paste your task list using the prompt above. Copy the AI-organized results. Clarity achieved. Then I asked ChatGPT to actually create a one-day schedule for me. Create a time-blocked schedule for these tasks based on priority and time estimates. Include breaks and deep work blocks. Make sure earlier hours contain the most important work. In 3 to 5 seconds, AI built the perfect day plan. 9 a.m. deep work, video editing. 10:15 a.m. break. 10:30 a.m. email plus admin. 11 a.m. research. 1 p.m. workout, etc. No thinking required. Paste your task list into ChatGPT using the schedule prompt. Copy the schedule it generates. You now have your daily action blueprint. Open Google Calendar and drag blocks according to the AI schedule. Color code it. Green equals deep work, blue equals admin tasks, red equals personal or health, yellow equals breaks. When your calendar tells you what to do, the brain relaxes. No negotiations. No, I'll do it later. Scheduling makes tasks real. Open Google Calendar now. Add 3 time blocks following the schedule AI gave you. Not the whole day, just the first 3 blocks. Start small. I start each block with a Pomodoro timer, 25-minute focus plus 5 minutes break. That structure makes starting easy and finishing satisfying. Your only job now is simple. Do exactly what the calendar says. Nothing else. And suddenly chaos turns into execution. Start a 25-minute timer. Work only on the first block in your calendar. Ignore everything else. Focus creates momentum. Here's your challenge. Brain dump everything. Use ChatGPT to prioritize plus estimate. Ask AI to build a daily schedule. Put first 3 blocks into Google Calendar. Follow 1 block with a timer. 1 day. 1 system. 1 transformation. If this video helped you even a little, hit the like button, it really supports the channel. And if you want more practical systems like this, subscribe and turn on notifications. Before you go, comment focus mode below if you're committing to trying this system for 24 hours. Let's grow together. See you in the next video.